At the heart of every atom lies a nucleus, a space 100,000 times smaller than the atom itself, yet it holds almost all its mass and a truly staggering amount of power. This is the realm of nuclear physics. Inside this dense core, protons and neutrons are squeezed together. But not all nuclei are stable. Some are restless, eager to change into a more stable form. This is radioactivity. When an unstable nucleus decays, it emits radiation in one of three main ways. In alpha decay, the nucleus ejects a chunky particle, 2 protons and 2 neutrons, instantly transforming into a new, lighter element. In beta decay, something even stranger happens. A neutron can flip, becoming a proton and spitting out an electron. The element changes, but its mass stays nearly the same. And then there's gamma decay, where an excited nucleus simply calms down by releasing a burst of pure high-energy light. This decay happens on a strict schedule, defined by a concept called half-life. It's the time it takes for half of a radioactive sample to decay. If you start with 1,000 unstable atoms, after one half-life, you'll have 500. After another, 250. It's a predictable countdown. So where does the energy in these processes come from? It comes from mass itself. When a nucleus forms, a tiny fraction of its mass, the mass defect, vanishes and converts into pure binding energy, following Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared. This principle is what we harness in nuclear fission, splitting heavy atoms in power plants, and it's the same force behind nuclear fusion, the process that powers our sun, where light atoms are forged together, releasing the energy that sustains all life on Earth. From medical imaging to the stars themselves, the physics of the nucleus shapes our world.